In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom font to Wix Studio, whether you're creating a website for your business, personal portfolio, or any other project. Customizing your text with unique fonts can make a huge difference in standing out and aligning with your design vision. Wix Studio offers a simple way to upload and use your own custom fonts, giving you full control over the look and feel of your site. So let's dive right in and get started with the step-by-step process. Make sure you're ready with your custom font file saved on your computer, and let's make your website truly one of a kind. The first thing you'll need to do is open your browser and navigate to the Wix Studio website. You can either type the URL manually or click a direct link if you have one handy. Once you're on the Wix Studio homepage, you'll see a clear option to log in. Go ahead and click on the login button to proceed to the sign-in page. Now, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred sign-in method. Wix makes this process super convenient by offering options like continuing with Google or other supported platforms. Select the method that works best for you, and once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix Studio workspace. This is where all the magic happens. From here, locate the text element on your website that you'd like to modify. Maybe it's a headline, a paragraph, or any block of text that you want to enhance with your custom font. Click on the text element, and you'll notice a toolbar appear above or around it. This toolbar is where you can access various text editing options. In the toolbar, you'll see the current font being used displayed prominently. Click on the font name, and this will open a drop-down menu with all the fonts currently available in your Wix Studio library. Scroll through the list until you find an option labeled Upload Fonts. It's typically located toward the bottom of the drop-down menu, so keep an eye out for it. Before proceeding, it's important to ensure that your custom font file is in a supported format. Wix Studio accepts common font file types like TTF and OTF, so double-check that your file is saved in one of these formats. If it's not, you may need to convert it using a font conversion tool before moving forward. Once you're ready, click on the Upload Fonts option. This will open a file selection window on your computer. Browse through your files and locate the custom font you've prepared. When you've found it, select the file and confirm your choice. At this point, the upload process will begin. Depending on the size of your font file and the speed of your internet connection, the upload may take a few seconds. Be patient and allow the process to complete fully before moving on. You'll know the upload is successful when the custom font appears in the drop-down menu alongside the other fonts. The final step is to select your newly uploaded font from the drop-down menu. Once you click on it, the text element you're editing will instantly update to reflect the new font. Take a moment to review how it looks and make any additional adjustments to the size or color as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded and applied a custom font to your Wix Studio website. It's an easy but powerful way to bring more personality and branding to your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.